After Jam 2010. The After Movie.
Wake up, this is our generation. This is another night. This was probably said before, and probably done before. I can't hear it anymore, 'cause we will top this. Another Saturday night, we are ready to rock the floor, like never done before. We get it to the core. We are knocking on party heaven's door. We are entering a new kind of dimension. We gonna push the limit to hardcore, 'cause we are some kind of new sensation. Everything was said and done before, but now it's up to our generation. We gonna push the limit to hardcore, 'cause we are some kind of new sensation. Wake up, this is our generation. We party on the club, it's our destination. Yeah, wake up, this is our generation. We gonna bring the noise back in the clubs right now. Wake up, this is our generation. We party on the club, it's our destination. Yeah, wake up, this is our generation. We gonna bring the noise back right now. Wake up, this is our generation. Wake up, this is our generation.
Are you ready to party? Are you ready to party? Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready to party? Are you ready?
It's too late to apologize.
Are you ready for the next track? Okay, the ladies are longer, louder. Ladies, are you ready for the next track tonight?
I'm in Estonia.
Yo!
What do you think about today's party?
The party is amazing. Estland is amazing.
You like it?
We have the 24th
24th of February right now.
Amazing. Party is amazing. Okay.
Great, party is great.
See me, Sebastian! Thierry.de!
Very Let's go.
pidu on?
Siukse möllu pärast pole vaja minna Hollandisse värki. Paide.
aga video väga hea. Sina kui vana rokikuru, räägi Eesti Televisiooni.
Päris kõva pidu on.
Okei, lähen juba koju või?
Ei lähe.
Veel ei lähe või?
Veel ei lähe. Headhunters poiss, kõva, väga kõva.
Tonight, the whole city is ours.
Hold me